Sri Lanka's People's Bank has been a key partner in the country's post-independence journey, but being a bank for the people comes with its challenges. Today's people are millennials. That means digital and it means mobile. Joining me are N Vasantha Kumar and BM Premanath. You're working to become the most digitalised bank in Sri Lanka. What's the current state of the market?
At the moment, 4 million people are using internet banking, and also the internet banking users are growing annually. But still, the payments and things like that are not taking place through the internet banking. Very few, about 10% I would say. Other banks also, little areas they are digital, but we can't say complete digitalized banks. So certain part, maybe the internet banking, some minor phone banking like that. But that is the reason the People's Bank, we want to have entire thing digitalized. As a state bank, I think it's our duty and responsibility to take this into the market.
What's your roadmap for driving this strategy forward?
Our roadmap is first to change the mindset of our staff, then the customers. Of course, it's a real challenge. One thing is our people are used to the brick and mortar type of banking. They like to come to the bank and do this transaction. To change that concept, it's a bit of a difficult thing. And bank staff also is a big leap forward from the normal banking. So we already started changing their attitude. Then the procedures and the manuals and things have to be changed. For the younger customers, the up and coming young generation, I think it will be very easy. But as a bank of state bank, we have our branch network covering entire country. We are rural areas. Those people very easy comes to a branch and do their transactions, the most important thing for them. So changing their mindset is a bit of a difficult thing. Roadmap is starting. Already we are started on this. The first introduction of the installation of the digital banking will take place early next year. At least 5 branches will be digitalized.
Digitalization is also going to improve your environmental sustainability, which is increasingly important to you. Tell me about some of the projects you have there.
As a state bank, we have a responsibility towards the national programs. So at this moment, we are embarked on another ambitious program, green banking. That means paperless banking and environment friendly, using the carbon usage. So there we already started the Green Pulse and green banking. Green Pulse, now we have started sending e-statements, usage of very minimal of the paper. Other thing, the environment, the green banking, all these buildings, green banking, take the solar power, energy, those type of things we are doing on the green building concept. Premanath, what is the new building what you are going to start, the first building, green banking?
We are plan to start that Jaffna brand.
Jaffna building, that is a regional office and branch you are going to the up north. That is the first building going according to green bank concept.
And the digitalization strategy is also going to position People's Bank as the go-to bank for international investors.
Yes, the government wants to attract a lot of foreign investment. They are in the plan because to develop the country, especially the infrastructure development, the IT hub, tourism, and the government now the Colombo megapolis that want to get the entire Colombo district as one major city, having IT hub, maritime hub, aviation hub, and also the financial city, the new port city, we're going to convert financial city there. So in that case, it's a state People's Bank with the largest branch network and one of the largest state bank. We will have major role to play in the government level. Once the market is improving, and as the government want to have a new financial center, so in that case, People's Bank is also having active part there. So all the entire international banks, all mostly on digital, as a good opportunity, take the leadership there.
Kumar, Premanath, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching. You can find out more about Sri Lanka's banking industry at worldfinance.com, and please subscribe for more FDI opportunities as well as all the latest insights from World Finance.